The Bucks are at halftime right now. I live in Tampa. We're going against the Rams. It's not looking good for us right now, but let's see if we can do this over halftime. Okay, starting off with the Spiders weekly chart. As we discussed, markets were in major trouble, and I said we likely have put in the top. I did that 2 weeks ago. Watch my video 2 weeks ago and last week, and to see what I was saying back then. Thank you for all the ones saying, hey, you nailed it, D7. And I'm saying, hey, thank you guys. Been doing this 24 years at this level. Next month. So very cool. Anyway, Spiders down significantly, down 2% on Friday alone, but guys has lost almost 6% for the week. Now, if you look at this, we've broken all major trend lines there, closing at the bars low. Diamonds, same thing, closing at the bars low, but we're at a trend line, right at a trend line. NASDAQ, oh, and let me first, before we do that, the Dow was down almost 5% for the week. The Qs were down 7.5%, down below all major moving averages. The Russell's 2000 down below all the moving averages, and we have a major trend line that's getting really close to. Financials, breaking trend lines. We're down at a major support line. The question is, will we find support there? Okay, now a couple things I want to share with you. I did test positive for Omicron back last week, and I'm coming off of it. For any of you guys that got it, you had this lingering cough. It will not go away. It's insane. And yeah, loaded up on vitamin D and zinc and C and all sorts of good stuff. But anyway, check this out. If you look at this, major RSI, we're way oversold, guys. Way oversold. On the Spider, the Diamonds, way oversold. Qs, way oversold. Russell's 2000, way oversold. Financials, oversold. So, I think next week, and you can quit the video right now, I think next week we have a good chance of going higher. I think we'll probably start off bearish, and then it'll rally back, and we will have a big bullish week. And we have been in drastic trouble, guys. There is no turning back from this. This is bad news, what I'm seeing here. I lived through the 2008, 2007 crash. I lived through the technology crash in 2000, and I lived through the COVID crash. So what we're seeing here is significant damage out there in the marketplace. Any rallies that we get to the upside, you need to sell into that strength. Sell into that strength, start shorting. We have some great short opportunities coming into the future. I think we have a high probability of the markets for the next year just churning sideways if we don't just go into a colossal pullback. So a significant downtrend. I prefer a significant downtrend so I can make a ton of money to the downside. Markets drop 66% faster than they rise, and there is money to be made in that environment. So you want to be able to take advantage of that. So if you look here at gold on the weekly chart, we are now knocking at the center or the upper line. Gold is at the apex. Look for gold to either break out or down in a significant way. It is building up right now. Symmetrical triangles, you don't know which way they're going to go. Silver is already starting to break out to the upside, so that tells me if silver is going to get bullish, which it is, gold could follow. We have a better chance now of gold and silver going higher in the markets. US dollar weekly for the week healed itself. There was the jab, so it healed itself, guys. US dollar looks to be getting strong going into the future. This is a nice bull pullback above some major moving averages. Look for this just to rally northbound, and that's going to put a lot of pressure on the markets. VIX now is at 28, 29. We got up almost to 30, guys. Every time it gets up in this area, these high areas in the 30s, the market gets bullish, gets bullish. We're up here again. I think that we have a good chance of getting bullish. I think that we have a chance of doing that. Bitcoin down. Very oversold. Look for a bounce to happen fairly soon on Bitcoin, but I think it'll be short-lived. Ethereum, same thing. Big sell-offs taking place, but way oversold. Look for a retracement to take place on all of these major cryptocurrencies out there. There you have it. My my short video over the Super Bowl. It's not a Super Bowl, but Super Bowl former champs, the Tampa Bay Buccaneers, having their heads handed to them at the time of this video. Doesn't look good for them, but can Tom Brady pull out another miracle? I would love for him to do so, to finish it out, beating the Rams, but I don't know. There you have it. So I hope the video served as some benefit and value to you. Thanks for the thumbs up or the thumbs down, and thanks for the comments that you leave below. I love them all. If you notice, I put hearts on them. I don't give trading advice, so if you ask my opinions on certain securities, I reserve. I just don't. I'm very reserved on giving opinions on that because I'm not a licensed, registered investment advisor. This is educational purposes only. Hope you can appreciate that. So anyway, take care. We'll see you guys later. Bye.